Every driving test candidate in Western Australia will have to perform the exercise left something behind. So this is a quick overview of what you need to do and how and what you can't miss. So they bring you to this set of small residential streets and the assessor asks you to pull over by the side of the road wherever you feel is safe. So you can pull over anywhere that's not too close to any intersection or a bus stop. So once you've pulled over, the assessor will say, I'd like you to remember this particular spot here. We are going to drive off and at some point I'm going to ask you to come back here. So you've got to indicate right, you've got to check your blind spot as well. Then soon after, the assessor will say, okay, I'd like you to go back to the house. You've left something behind. You will find the first suitable spot to turn around. Avoid the driveways that are too close to any intersection or a bus stop. There are several other options which you can do, so check out our playlist for exercise left something behind. Before you drive off, check your rearview mirror, indicate right and check your blind spot. The last instruction you will receive by the examiner is the one when they ask you to come back to the house. Overshoot the spot where you initially parked. Use the next door driveway if it's available. Don't go too deep. You can go maximum up to the property line, which is usually where the letterbox line is. While you're reversing out of the driveway, you've got to give way to any traffic coming from behind. Don't miss to signal and check your blind spot because that would certainly cause you to fail your driving assessment. You have 3 opportunities to score points for looking and signalling in this particular exercise. Every time you stopped on the side of the road, you've got to check the rearview mirror. If there's no one passing you, then you indicate right and then you check your blind spot. Best of luck with your driving test. Check some other relevant videos that I've put in the description. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.